Today, we're going to unbox this new thing. Wow! See? Because this says water brushes. And the brand name is Brea Reese. So today, I'm going to give you instructions on how to use with the water brushes. So there are instructions at the back. Alright, I'm just gonna get my glasses on. Before we do that, first I'm going to unbox with this thing. Alright, so you can see there are 3 different tips here, and we have one. This is fine. The second one is medium, and the third will be the largest. Right, we're going to do the instructions and demonstrations. Right, so the first one, it says twist pen tip counterclockwise to open. Alright, so you know counterclockwise is like when you're turning left. Clockwise is when you're turning right. So if I twist the tip clockwise, it's going to remain closed. So the first instruction says it has to be opened, and then it says fill with Brea Reese ink or water. Alright, so we're going to use a glass of water, and I also need to use it easily is a funnel, because we're going to put water with a funnel on it, and then I can carefully stick with this thing onto the filling. Okay, so we're gonna use water and carefully not to spill any. Oops. it's just spilling. Alright then. Hey, so the third step is gently squeeze to fill the tip with water or ink. So do not overfill. Oh, okay. So first I need to close with this thing, and it says it has to fill the tip with water or ink. So if I overfill with it, it's actually gonna let it spill. So here it is. So you have to squeeze it gently, and as you can see, the tip, it can have water on it. Right, and the last step is store with cap facing up. Okay, so when you are storing with brush pens or any type of paintbrushes that you would prefer, it has to be storing by facing up, or let's just say facing up, not facing downwards, because it's gonna actually make a mess. And before you know it, then you can actually be a beginner's artist. Alright, so if anyone use brush pens before, the organized ones or the paint brushes like from our other video, you can just write down in the comments if you have it, and also that if you would remain for part of these instructions that we use are the brush pens. Like, I guess if people could use that before, or I hope that I just watch these videos that they have organized brush pens. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and so if you don't have it already, you can buy. The link is in my description below. Alright, as I always, thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you next time.